Best deals. 1. Bucket Spin Mop. Microfiber technology helps lift and trap dirt with unique easy clean surface for superior clean. Twin Bucket Spin Mop for easy wringing and rinsing. Dual refill ensures usage depending on cleaning occasion and frequency and ensures that it lasts longer. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Scrubber. The ClickIt series offers a single, extendable pole with easily interchangeable heads, replacing the need for a separate duster, scrubber, and brush. Declutter your home and streamline your cleaning routine with this all-in-one solution. Features a lightweight, telescopic pole that extends to reach high places like ceiling fans without straining your back. The ergonomic design ensures comfort, making cleaning less of a chore and more of a breeze. Enjoy a sustainable cleaning solution that's gentle on your home and the planet. Ensure every corner of your home is spotless, with minimal effort. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Scrub Brush. Multi-surface brush tackles dirt and stains on tiles, hardwood floors, patios, and concrete, perfect for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. 30 cm wide brush head with durable stiff bristles covers large areas quickly and effectively removes stubborn dirt and grime. Built-in squeegee edge efficiently removes excess water and soap, leaving surfaces dry and streak-free in one motion. 45-degree angle design reduces back strain. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Electric Spin Scrubber is a cordless cleaning brush which helps to clean bathrooms, bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, and grooves effortlessly and quickly. You can adjust the length by easily rotating the handle and pulling it out. You can also remove and install the handle and extension rod. You can easily clean every corner of the house without having to bend over or kneel down. Scrubber adopts a tight protection design. It can be used in a humid environment or washed by dipping the brush head in water. You can easily clean shower bathrooms, bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, and grooves. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Microfiber Mop. The cleaning pads are made of dense microfiber that absorbs and locks in dirt, dust, hair, and moisture while gently protecting your wooden floor. When the pads get dirty, just simply put them into the washing machine, and they will be as good as new. In addition, it is easy to replace the new mop head with just one tear and one sticker. The cleaning pads are made of dense microfiber that absorbs and locks in dirt, dust, hair, and moisture while gently protecting your wooden floor. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Broom and Dustpan Set. Made of high-quality stainless steel poles with excellent performance in rust-resistant, solid and lightweight, which is easy to clean. Different people's cleaning needs will be satisfied with the 5 extension poles which can be installed in different length. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Brush. With its adjustable iron pole, ranging from 50.8 inches to 65.3 inches, this 4-section rod push broom brush allows you to effortlessly clean all outdoor and indoor areas without straining your body. Adjust it to your preferred length and enjoy hassle-free cleaning, reaching every nook and cranny with ease. Tackle even the toughest cleaning challenges with confidence. The ergonomic design of the pole and 45-degree brush angle ensures a comfortable grip. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Cleaning Brush. Specially designed mesh cleaning brush helps you remove dust, dirt, and debris from any mesh surface with ease. Ideal for windows, screens, and doors. This handy cleaner for window screens ensures your mesh stays spotless without damaging delicate fibers. Works great on metal or fiber mesh materials. Keep your mosquito screens and nets dust-free with this specialized mosquito brush. Removes buildup that blocks airflow and visibility. Ergonomic design. This window mesh cleaner is reusable, washable. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Mop Bucket. Floor cleaning mop for home is equipped with the latest technology and turns at 360 degrees for comprehensive floor cleaning. UPC flat mop also safely cleans up all types of flooring, including tiles, vinyl, and hardwood, with ease using our reusable microfiber pads. Moppers for cleaning floor also collects hairs, food crumbs, and dust, and can be conveniently washed in your washing machine. Featuring an innovative 2-in-1 dry and wet hands-free squeeze, a flat mop bucket adopts advanced self-squeeze technology. Simply wash the mop head and remove dust on the dry side, keeping your hands clean from dirt and chemicals. Flat bucket mop system offers superior cleaning performance. The 360 degrees flexible head allows for easy maneuverability, easily reaching even the tightest corners of the room. Designed with convenience in mind for maximum efficiency, the bucket and mop are easy to assemble and use, making floor cleaning quick and easy, virtually one-handed. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Broom. Designed in such a manner that makes it easy to clean the floor without bending and making your back suffer. Its long length helps you to reach out deep under the furniture. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Microfiber flat mop. Used for dry mopping as well as wet mopping, also used to clean walls, ceilings, glass windows. Superior microfiber technology helps in trapping fine dirt, easily cleans dirt, dust, hair, pet hairs and dander. Height adjustable telescopic handle ensures it reaches nooks and corners easily. 360-degree rotating head can be maneuvered easily in different directions as per user's convenience. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Bucket mop. This aesthetically designed bucket made of high-grade plastic is light, durable and easy to use. It saves lot more water than any other product. It is up to 90% labor-reducing mop. The spin mop set with bucket comes with a long sturdy telescopic handle and an easy-to-move bucket. The handle allows a 360-degree movement to reach all nooks and corners. The easy mop for floor cleaning comes with 2 microfiber refills which has good water absorption capacity, made up with virgin PP makes it strong, durable and lightweight. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Microfiber feather. Crafted with ultra-fine fiber materials, delivering exceptional electrostatic adhesion. During use, it efficiently captures and retains dust particles, preventing them from resettling on clean surfaces. Experience a new level of cleanliness with our cutting-edge telescopic feather duster. The super flexible feathered head, coupled with a stainless steel handle that extends up to an impressive 100 inches, allows you to reach high places effortlessly. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Flat mop. Built-in spray, this mop redefines squeezing with a revolutionary push and pull design. Picture this, your mop effortlessly squeezes itself, making excess water a thing of the past. Experience the joy of hands-free squeezing, turning your cleaning routine into a delightful dance rather than a chore. This is a versatile cleaning tool that combines the advantages of a water spray, scuzzing and a flat mop. The slim design helps to use mop into tight spaces. With best-in-class clearance of 5 cm, it can go under sofa, near all corners and other tight spaces, giving best satisfaction of thorough and versatile cleaning. The toothbrush-style scraper helps to clear hairs, dirt, and small dust particles with precision. Product link is given in the 14th link.